Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the media and app. Download a high-quality MP4 clip of Sabrina Carpenter that matches your display resolution. This reduces scaling artifacts. Then install Lively Wallpaper or Wallpaper Engine. Pick whichever you already own. Once done, put the MP4 and any accompanying audio in one folder and rename them descriptively so the wallpaper software imports cleanly. This gets you past setup friction fast and lets you jump straight into creating an animated. Next, you import and tune the wallpaper. Open the app, click Add or Import, and point to your MP4. The tool will generate a wallpaper entry. Then configure playback, choose Continuous Loop, Enable or Disable Audio, and set it to start with Windows so it's always active. Make sure to adjust performance settings. Cap FPS to 3060, enable pause on full-screen apps, and set GPU priority if needed. Doing this balances smooth visuals with responsive system performance. Finally, apply the wallpaper and verify it on all displays and power modes. Make sure battery saver doesn't pause playback. If you see stutter, reduce the video resolution or FPS, change the hardware decoding setting, or switch to a lighter codec. That usually fixes performance. If audio is out of sync, re-encode the MP4 with a fixed frame rate or mute the wallpaper and play audio separately. These final checks ensure a smooth Sabrina Carpenter live wallpaper without compromising your system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.